boys, it's your boy Chris here from On The Rise Imports, and today we are back at it with another video. Sorry, my hand is right there, but we got a new wheel reveal today. I'm super stoked about it. You almost kind of seen it right there, but as you can see, it's freaking beautiful out right now. Hopefully I don't get my car reamed, but you can see all the mountains and everything like that. So basically what happened was, short story, I'll probably show you a couple photos right now as my girl was driving on the street, and she semi dropped something metal off of the trailer itself, and she ran over it on accident because she couldn't get out of the way. You can see him right there, but she ran over something and basically cracked both of my rims, which I'll show you pictures right now. And she, how do you say, I don't know, just cracked the rims and popped my tires. So then now this is what the cars are looking like. You got some nice rims all the way around it. So super stoked and everything like that. But let me show you some better clips of it, boys.
Oh, is it this one? No, it's easier. So on the back of them, I know I was gonna show you pictures, but it's easier just to record. She hit, you can see on the back, it's right here. This was the rear tire. You can see she punctured something. And upon puncturing something, you can see that big old crack right there. And you can feel it, it's not nice. And then that was the rear. The front was right here. And upon hitting it, this is where I cracked my rim before at. And basically they rewelded it. I never really looked inside of it, but they rewelded it. And then on, where was it at? Oh, it got hit right here and cracked the rim. So basically this one is done too. That's my stocky that I had. So yeah. Alright boys, so as you see it, ooh, child. So basically what they are is they are ESR CS, I think 108, I can't remember off the top of my head. But when I found them, they've only been released for like a month now. And they are, I want to say 18 by 8.5, and then has a 30-inch offset, or 30 millimeter, I'm sorry. And I got them wrapped around Federal, what are they? I can't remember, S555, 55, 595, 595. So the car looks super meaty. You can see it, you can see front tire budged out on this side, same on this side right here, as you can see. And then the back of the car is pretty fat too. And then I got the tires that I actually got wrapped around. These ones are the Federal SS 595s, but they're 225/40 18s on them. But you can see how good that looks back there. I'm getting some slight rubbage, I think, right here too as well. Oh shit, don't want that to happen. Slight rubbage, slight rubbage. You can see on the tire right here. But yeah, so they looking super sick. Let me go check the other side. I actually haven't really paid attention to the rubbage, haven't heard anything. Although I think the only reason why it's getting rubbage over there on that side is because I'm actually on like a little hillside right here. So there's some slight articulation, nothing too crazy. But yeah, so this happened probably about, I want to say like 2 weeks ago, a week ago, I think. No, 2 weeks ago this happened. So the green rims, I think, are ultimately done, except for two of them, which was, I think, the driver's side was okay, passenger side was completely done. I don't think I could fix them. Maybe I could try to fix them and make them into like a drift tire, or maybe a showstopper. Maybe I could just put the green on like the front, and then I don't know, we'll have to figure that out. But I'm gonna try to get them fixed because I do have a fifth one that is gold, that is a spare. So I am gonna try to fix that one. But also you can see you got that retro, got that Reptar Rugrats. So as you can see, basically the car's looking nice. And I know some people are gonna ask how much, you know, everything costs. I think the rims for a set of 4 by themselves, they are, I want to say close to 900. I think they were like 900 to 1,000, I want to say. And then the tires themselves like 354, I think. But yeah, so
super nice, guys, super nice. But look at the paint though. The paint is not looking good at all. I mean, we need to get a paint job ASAP, which, you know, maybe we might be getting in the next couple months. Now, as far as the color, I don't know, because it's white on white is just precious, bro. Straight precious. But let me get some like panoramic shots real quick or something like that, and see how this goes. Let's go. So basically that was just a quick little update on the car as far as rims. I know I didn't edit a video or record a video when I was getting done because it was a rainy Friday. I just tried to knock them out, to be honest. So that was a hassle, to be honest. But my boy killed it at C's Tire Shop. I'll put their Instagram and link and everything like that. That's out of Banning, California. So they hooked it up, they always do. But I just can't believe how good the car looks. So as far as that, boys, that's pretty much it for the video today. It was just a minor update. I do have some like rolling shots and everything else that my girl got, so those are gonna be pretty legit. But I just can't believe how good the car looks though. And I will be doing a review on the car itself with the tires. I'll probably do a review separate with the tires, and then I'll probably do a separate review with the rim itself. I think they're a little bit heavy, but I don't know, to be honest, so we'll see. But other than that, boys, yeah, so that's gonna end it. Let's just keep going.